All potatoes are out of the oven. They are nice and ready and crispy and browny, like you can see. They are ready to serve like as a side. Crispy potatoes made in oven, roasted with breadcrumbs, some mixed herbs, dry herbs, salt and pepper. We're gonna mix this with olive oil, and then we're gonna put in a pan in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. After we strain the potatoes from the water very well, we're gonna still make sure they are very dry, and I'm gonna dry them here on this pan very well, and make sure the water is out from the potatoes, just like this. You see, take out the water. Now we add the oil. I use the extra virgin olive oil because it's no more water, the oil sticks to the potatoes. Okay, everything looks good. And now we're adding the breadcrumbs. You can use the good quality breadcrumbs. I like to use some herbs, mixed herbs, herbs de Provence, Italian mix, or whatever you like. Herbs, salt, and some pepper, not so much, depends how much you like. And now we still mix very well. We got our pan, cooking sheet here. We can use it on the oven. Put some parchment paper. We're gonna add some oil. Nice. Like this. Use the brush to make sure the oil is all over, even nice, like this. And now we add our potatoes. Stand them evenly. Make sure they touch the bottom. They are all on the bottom, not standing on top of each other like this. Make sure they stand on the paper. The potatoes are ready. The oven it's preheated like at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you're gonna turn around the potatoes and continue bake until they are nice and crispy. Okay, our potatoes are out of the oven. They are nice and ready and crispy. They are ready to serve like as a side with our meats, or you can serve it like this, like appetizer, in any way you like. They are beautiful, crisp, and tasty and flavorful. Gonna taste to see if everything is good. You see, very nice. Potatoes are good. You can make it in the oven at 425, 20 minutes and 20 minutes until they are like this, golden brown and crispy. Enjoy it, and let's taste it to see. Maybe you need a bit of salt on top, and I like some pepper like this. And beautiful. I think they are hot. They are crispy, soft inside, good taste, beautiful. Enjoy it. Bon appetit.